The Tunguska Mystery, Earth's most explosive cosmic encounter. Imagine an explosion 185 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. No crater, no debris, no confirmed impact. Just scorched earth, flattened forests, and a night sky that glowed eerily across Europe. Welcome to the greatest cosmic mystery of the 20th century, the Tunguska event. The event. What happened in 1908? The explosion occurred near the Tunguska River in what is now Krasnoyarsk Krai, Russia. At around 7:17 a.m. local time, a blinding flash and an earth-shaking blast were felt for hundreds of miles. Seismic shockwaves were recorded as far away as England. People in Washington, D.C., Germany, and even Indonesia reported feeling atmospheric pressure changes. The explosion flattened trees in a radial pattern, all knocked away from the epicenter. Yet strangely, trees directly beneath the epicenter remained upright but scorched, their branches stripped. What could have caused such devastation? Early theories and investigations. For decades, no one ventured into the remote Siberian forest to investigate. It wasn't until 1927, 19 years later, that Russian scientist Leonid Kulik led an expedition. He expected to find a crater, meteorite fragments, or debris. Instead, all he found were thousands of square kilometers of flattened trees, but no impact site, no iron, no rock. Initial theories included a comet made of ice that vaporized before hitting the ground, a stony asteroid that exploded midair. Even volcanic eruptions, black holes, or UFOs were proposed. One native account from the Evenki people described the sky tearing open, a great fire, and heat so intense it felt like their clothes were on fire. But why was there no crater and no extraterrestrial material on the ground? The iron asteroid bounce theory. A new study by Russian scientists proposes an astonishing idea that the Tunguska event was caused not by a crash, but by a cosmic bounce. According to this theory, the object responsible was a dense iron asteroid, far more robust than icy or stony bodies. Instead of impacting Earth, it skimmed the atmosphere at a low angle, briefly entered the upper layers of the atmosphere, and bounced back into space. The asteroid was moving at a blistering 12.4 miles per second, 20 kilometers per second. It passed as close as 6 to 9 miles, 10 to 15 kilometers per second above the ground. In just 1 second over the explosion's epicenter, it released a colossal shockwave that ignited the forest below. The blast is believed to have vaporized half of the asteroid's original 3 million ton mass into high-temperature plasma. The result? A powerful airburst that incinerated forests, triggered atmospheric pressure waves, and scattered cosmic dust into the upper atmosphere. The evidence supporting the bounce. Why believe in a space bounce rather than a crash? First, mathematical models show that ice or stone-based asteroids would have disintegrated long before reaching such a low altitude due to aerodynamic pressure. They'd have broken up or vaporized. Only a metallic asteroid, particularly one made of iron, could have withstood that pressure and escaped Earth's gravity afterward. That would also explain why. There are no craters or debris. There are no iron droplets at the impact site. The material never hit the ground. Europe's skies glowed for days, likely due to high-altitude dust scattered by the asteroid's partial disintegration. This theory aligns with unusual atmospheric effects recorded across Europe and North America, including reports of glowing night skies. Final thoughts. Could it happen again? The Tunguska event remains a chilling reminder of Earth's vulnerability to cosmic events. An asteroid just 200 meters wide, traveling at the right angle, could devastate a city or region without even touching the ground. In 2013, a much smaller meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, injuring 1,500 people, damaging thousands of buildings, and reminding us of the risks lurking in space. Whether it was an asteroid bounce, a comet explosion, or something still unknown, Tunguska proves that planetary defense is more than science fiction. It's a necessity. As scientists continue to unravel the truth behind Tunguska, one thing is certain. Whatever tore through the skies over Siberia in 1908 was a wake-up call from the cosmos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cosmic mysteries, like and subscribe for more science stories that challenge what we think we know. And remember, sometimes the most powerful forces come not with a bang, but with a silent streak through the sky.